Hello everyone, so this is a Blitz Chess here. We're here from this one in this game's Infinity World Blitz Chess Championship 2024 late edition. So it means, first step our first Blitz only from this one. So it means women's Swiss only from this one. And also have a teammate from this Sakastan, from this woman Grandmaster Alua Normanova. From this one, so it means teenager, so it means age from this one, so it means teenager from this age from this one. And versus by woman international master Zainab Sultanbek. So it means woman international masters here from this one. In this part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Blitz chess. So white plays Normanova is e4, c5 Sultan Bek Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6 open Sicilian, d4, knight f6. So it means, knight f6 is called anti-king takes d4 move order Sicilian defense. So it means variations from this one. So it means so it means the main line is capture this one. So it means capture c takes d4, or maybe knight takes d4, or maybe knight f6. So it means threat by e4 and also knight c3. Simple as that. So it is developed by Sicilian defensive variation from this one. So back there is knight f6 move by Sultan Bek, and also knight c3 captured, knight takes d4, and also a6. So it means a6 is no more by bishop b5 or knight b5 from this one in this development, and also h3. So it means h3 is no more by bishop g4 or knight g4, and also e5 with a threat by knight, and also knight b3, bishop e6. So it means development by Sultan Bek from this one, and also bishop e3. So it means bishop e3 still skills by developments by Normanova, and also knight c6, queen f3. So it means queen f3 strongest move by Normanova here from this one, and also d5. So it means d5 here moved by Sultan Bek, and also captured, bishop takes d5 with a threat by, so it means bishop takes d5 with a threat, or maybe threat by knight, or maybe threat by queen. So it means develop. So it means without knight, with a threat by bishop here by white pieces here by Normanova. So it means bishop by Sultan Bek, and also queen g3, and also bishop e6. So it means bishop e6 with a backwards move by Sultan Bek, and also bishop e2. So it's still good novelty, but bad novelty from this one. So it means bad novelty. So it means the good novelty here is correct move is bishop d3 here. And simple is that with upcoming castle. So it means development determinations by Normanova here. So back there is bishop e2, and also bishop e7. So it means bishop e7 by Sultan Bek. Upcoming this ready by castle kingside here from this one, and also castle kingside, and also knight c5. So it means knight c5 by Normanova with a threat by bishop. So it means developments here. And also knight d4 at the enter of this side. So it means, so look at this one. So it means low evaluation bar by black pieces. So it means double question mark. So it means blunder ratios by Sultan Bek. So it means wrong move by this red square root from this one. So it means, so the one's computer here is bishop takes captured. So it means bishop takes captured by knights. If you capture this, bishop takes c5, or with a threat by rook here. So it means with a threat. So it means threat by rooks here, and also rook e8. So it means rook e8 here by developed by Sultan Bek here. Still, we need to focus by development of this chess from displaying chess here. So back there is entering knight d4 here, and also bishop takes d4, incorrect move by Normanova. So the one's computer is capture this one. So it means knight takes e6 here. So it means if you knight, so it means knight takes e6 here from this one. So it means captured by knights here. So it means we need to capture this knight takes bishop. So back there is, so bishop takes knight, and also pawn takes d4. So it means threat by knights here. So it means threat. So it means skills developments here. And also knight takes bishop. And also pawn takes knight. And also knight d1 backwards. So it means knight takes knight d1. So it means knight d1 backwards. But still another bad move by Normanova. So it means the ones of this computer is go back knight b1 only. So it's still knight b1 with a move by knight d2. So it means knight d2 here by develops here. So back there is knight d1 and also queen b6. So it means defense by protects by d4 and also bishop c4 and also rook ac8 and also rook ac8 here. So rook ac8 by Sultan Beg with a threat by bishop. So it means with a threatening by bishop here with the targets without capturing this one from this bishop. And also queen d3 protects by bishop. And also king force h8. So it means with a good developments by Sultan Beg by black pieces here. And also rook e1. So it means rook e1 by Normanova with a threat by d6 and also bishop threat by d6 here. So it means, oh sorry, e6. Oh sorry, I forgot my wrong notes here, but still I cannot see this one in this chessboard. So it means rook threat by e6 and bishop threat by e6 here. So still I'm sorry, I got wrong by my focusing here. So still we need to see the e6 here from this one. And also rook c6 with a protects by e6 here. And also rook e2. So still rook e2. So still focusing by move by Normanova here. And also knight d7. And also c3. And also rook fc8 battery. So it's still repeat. So with a move here by rook without moving here, move by battery by rook c8. I'm still focusing here. So it means move by rook fc8. Still battery here by Sultan Beg here. And also b3. And also bishop f6 with a protects by d4. And also captured. Bishop takes d4 and also rook c1. So it means rook c1 here. So it's still development by move by Normanova. And also knight e5. So it's still threat by the threatening by bishop, or maybe threat here with the targets with a capture this bishop. And also queen e4. Knight takes bishop, pawn takes knight, and also e5. So it means e5 by you still focusing development by Sultan Beg. We need to skills develop here in this one, or maybe focusing of this chess here. And also knight e3, h6, and also queen f5 with a move by booklets in this Normanova here with a development by move here. And also queen b4. So it means queen b4 here. Oh, still booklets here by Sultan Beg here. And also king h2, queen d6. So it means queen d6 here. And also g3, queen f8, queen to queen, and also avoided queen e4. Wait for a moment. For examples, in accept, why don't we capture this queen takes f8 check? So it's still queen to queens here, and also rook takes queen. Still developments here without focusing here. Look at this evaluation bar is okay. That means good. So Still avoided queen e4 by Normanova. So still, why don't... So it means Normanova, why she doesn't want this captured queen to queens here from this one. And also queen f7. And also knight f5. Oh my god, still strongest move by Normanova. Oh, look at there. And knight, so it means knight f5. Or realize here, without move by here. So still knight d6 here. Oh my god, still threat. Oh, with a threat by queen or maybe the threat by rooks here. Oh, still without threat by bishops here. Still knight f5 by Normanova. And another boom! Rook takes c4, another blunderations! Why? Why she captured rook takes c4? Look at that. Oh, blunderations. Look at. Oh, move knight. Knight d6. Oh my god. Still dangerous with a triple here. With a trap triple. Look at. Oh, triple queen. Oh, triple rook. Oh, triple. With a trap by queen and double rook. Oh, what happened to Sultan Bek? Oh, double question mark. Still wrong move by Sultan Bek here from this one. Look at this one. Oh, still red. Oh, red here from this square root from this board. So it's still double question mark. Still blunderacious. Blunderacious by Sultan Bek. So the correct move here is bishop b6. So still do not capture this rook takes c4. Still knight d6 here with a trap by triple. Oh, what's that here? Oh, so still developments by also that. And so still blunderacious after blunderacious rook takes c4. So what do you think with the idea of this great move by woman grandmaster Normanova? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is boom knight d6 great move by Normanova. So it's still good move. Oh, look at this with a trap by queen or maybe rook or maybe double rook. Still triple attack. Oh, why is that? Oh, with a danger by black pieces by Sultan Bek. Oh, so make the move is queen e6 with a threat by knights. And also, knight takes rook. Still one rook down by Sultan Bek. Oh my god, what happened? And also rook takes c4 knight. Oh, rook takes c4 knight. And also rook takes c4. Queen takes rook. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. So it means white pieces by Normanova is queen to rook. And also black by Sultan Bek is queen to bishop. Oh my god. Oh, still what happened? If you win or lose. Oh my god. Still developments here. Development by with the strongest move here. And also rook c2 with a threat by queen. And also queen g8. Rook takes b7. Sorry, queen takes b7, sorry. I'm sorry, I forgot my thinking by notes here. I think queen takes b7 here. So it means queen takes b7 here. And also king h7. And also rook c8 with a threat by queen. And also queen e6. Queen e4 check. And also g6, a bad move. Still, the best moves is queen. Queen g6. Queen to queen. If you capture this queen, and also king takes g6. So it means develops here. So it means wins for white by Norma Nova. So back there is g6 and also rook c7 check, wrong move. So the best moves is queen b7 check. So it means if you queen, for example, if you queen f7 and also oh goodbye, queen takes 7, queen takes f7 checkmate. So still checkmates here. So back there is rook c7 check and also king g8, another bad move by Sultan Bek. So the best moves there is king h8. Still, so it means king h8. If you queen a8 check and also queen g8, and also if you capture this queen to queen and also king takes g8, if you rook c8 check and also king h7. So still if you move here, so it means king c7 check. If you back here, still repeat repetition, still draw. So it means draw repetitions here. So back there is king g8. So it means, so second puzzle, what you think is with a teammate from Kazakhstan. So it means, what do you think is would resign by woman international master Sultan Beg. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here. And last shot is queen a8 check. Still doesn't, so it means doesn't want move here. Still resigned by woman international master Zainab Sultanbek. So why she resigns? Because so it means if you queen if you queen e8 here, only move, and also goodbye queen takes e8 mating net, checkmate. Oh, what happened to Sultan Bek? We need. So what do you think? If you realize, so it means, so avoid to capture this one. So it means we need to focus this one. We need to move by bishop. We need to realize by Sultan Bek to focusing of this masters of this sacrifice here. So it means white by pieces by Norma Nova, still 11 seconds, and also black pieces by Sultan Bek is 7 seconds. So it means, so the winner of this one is woman grandmaster in Kazakhstan is Alua Normanova. Still congratulations here. I hope at this part of this video, thank you so much of this watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Mark Luagi 17, and also Mark 17. So it means thank you so much here. Have a good day and keep safe, and adios. Bye bye.